Welcome to Manteo, North Carolina, a small historical waterfront town where charm and vibrant community life come together. Enjoy the waterfront boardwalk, marina, bustling shops, breweries, restaurants, and the Roanoke Festival Park. Just off the island, away from the tourist buzz, awaits a hidden historical gem. Immerse yourself in a peaceful oasis with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths on a generous half-acre waterfront homesite, boasting serene water views and a secluded location. Step inside the stunning great room with high-end craftsmanship, Brazilian hardwood cherry floors, and a cozy gas fireplace. The abundance of windows floods the space with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Enjoy morning coffee or evening beverages on the large screen porch, perfect for soaking in the sunset hues. The chef's kitchen includes a functional layout featuring stainless steel appliances and ample cabinet storage. There's also a formal dining room ideal for Sunday family dinner. Upstairs, 3 primary bedrooms await, each with its own private bath. The main primary bedroom exudes character with a beadboard vaulted ceiling and serene water views. Outside the home is adorned with low-maintenance vinyl and hardy plate siding, a carport for 2 cars, and a beautifully landscaped yard. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and functionality in this inviting home, ready to envelop you in tranquility. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity to own a piece of historical Manteo. For more information or a private tour, please give us a call. And don't forget, please like and subscribe below for more 411 on the Outer Banks.